Hi, my name's Nancy from Aptitude, and I'm going to show you how to decorate your own Wellbeing Jar. Okay, so I'm going to get this ribbon and I'm just going to tie it around the top of the jar. So I'm going to tie it just like a shoelace, the two hoops, and pull it round. Now to make it just a little bit cooler, I'm going to get some scissors and I'm going to score down each side of the two bits of material that we got left, just pushing away from the body to make little hoops at the bottom so it spirals out. Ribbon and tie it around your jar however you want. So this is another way to just take it around the top, cross it over so it makes a cross at the back. You're just going to keep pulling the two sides of the ribbon around. You're going to make a cross on that side too, then pull it back round, and then you're just going to make a little tie here, tie it in a knot so it holds all of that in place. So it should look something like this. And then you're just going to cut these two tags off, and be careful when you're using your scissors. So with the pens you can draw any pattern you want on it to make it your own unique jar. I'm just going to do some little squiggly lines all the way around, just following it round. But like I said, you can do your jar exactly however you want to. Now you've finished decorating your incredible Wellbeing Jar, it's time to fill it with lots of amazing quotes and affirmations to make you feel good. One of my quotes that would go into the Wellbeing Jar is, "Never give up, ever." Another one would be, "Good vibes only." And my last one would be, "It's okay not to be okay."
So this is what I would put in the Wellbeing Jar for myself, and it's always find the positive and the negative, the first one. Another one for me is actually, I like walking and it makes me feel better, so I try and go for a walk every single day. That's one of my notes in the Wellbeing Jar as well.
This is a quote that I live by myself, and it's not what you go through, it's how you get through it, and that's what I'm going to put into the jar for me.
Remember, this is your Wellbeing Jar, so you fill it with everything that you want to feel to make you happy, and also design it exactly how you want to. But please do send us in photos of your finished jar because we'd love to see them. Thank you, have fun!